Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, Miss Ami. Let us introduce ourselves first. My name is Eka Putri Amalia.
My name is Ari Pramudita.
My name is Raffi Husni Afif.
Today we will present about an important topic in public speaking, how to analyze your audience. As we know, a good speech is not only about the message, but also about how well the speaker understands the listeners. Without knowing the audience, even a strong speech might not create the impact we want. Uh, the first one, I want present chapter 3 in the module, analyzing your audience and knowing your purpose. Emphasize that the success of public speaking largely depends on how well a speakers understand the audience. Audience analysis allow the speakers to identify what listener already know about the topic, how they feel about it, and the best way to reach them. This process can be done by gathering demographic information such as education, occupation, and background, as well as by analyzing psychological aspect like attitude, beliefs, and values. Such information enables the speakers to adjust the content, language, and style of delivery so that the message become more relevant and easier to understand. The capture also highlight that audience are dynamic, meaning adjustment should be made not only during preparation but also throughout the presentation. Moreover, the diversity of the audience present challenge that require adaptability, sensitively, and respect, while avoiding stereotypes to build emotional and intellectual connection. And finally, the speaker must clearly determine the purpose of this speech, whether to inform, persuade, or entertain, since the purpose serves as the foundation for choosing material, structuring ideas, and delivering the message effectively. Okay, the next material will be present by my friend Ari Pramudita.
Okay, thank you for your time. This is my analysis from the YouTube video. The title is How to Analyze an Audience for Public Speaking by Alexander Leon. That explains that a successful speech is not only about having good content, but also about the understanding people who will listen to you. He says that before speaking, it is important to analyze your audience by looking at things like their age, education, culture, and how familiar they are with the topic. This information helps you to decide the right language and, for example, and style of delivery. For example, talking to college students is very different from talking to senior professional or community members. Lyon also emphasized that speakers should pay attention to the audience and then needs and expectations. Some people may want solutions, and the other may be looking for the inspiration, and some just want for information. By knowing this, a speaker can adjust the message so it feels more relevant and useful. He also reminds us that public speaking should not focus only on what the speaker want to say, but uh, but more on what the audience wants or needs to hear. Another important point from the video is empathy. Leon encouraged speakers to put themselves in the audience position, respect their background, and make the message simple and clear. This can be done by using examples that the audience can relate to, avoiding difficult or confusing terms, and speaking in a way that feels inclusive. In the end, Leon also shares resources like his free ebook, and the title is Confident Speaking. That's to make help people keep improving their skills. Overall, the video gives practical tips and reminders that effective public speaking is about being audience centered, flexible, and by understanding the audience, respecting their needs, and adapting your style, you can deliver a message that is not only clear but also meaningful and memorable. So, for the conclusion, it will be said from the my friend, especially Raffi Husni Afif. That's your time.
Okay, thank you for your time. And part conclusion. In conclusion, about chapter 3, analyzing your audience and knowing your purpose, and Alexander Lyon's video, how to analyze an audience for public speaking, show that a key to successful public speaking is understanding the audience. A good speech is not only about clear information, but also about making it relevant to listeners. By analyzing the audience, the speaker can learn what people already know, how they feel about the topic, and how to connect with them. This can be done by looking at basic information such as age, education, and background, as well as attitudes, belief, and value. When the speaker know this, it becomes easier to choose the right content, word, and style so the message is meaningful and effective. The two sources also remind us that audience are diverse and can change. Speakers need to be flexible and ready to adjust while speaking. Respect and empathy are very important to build trust, avoid stereotypes, and make the audience feel valued. By put themselves in audience position, speaker can create stronger connection and make their message more engaging. This approach helps the audience not only understand the speech but also feel more connected to it. Lastly, both chapter 3 and the video stress the importance of knowing the purpose of a speech. Whether the goal is to inform, persuade, um, or entertain, a clear purpose help with the choice of material, structure, and delivery. Lyon also highlight the speaker should focus on what the audience needs to hear, not just on what they want to say. Overall, effective public speaking is not just about talking, well, but about making the audience feel included, respect, and inspired. When speakers understand their audience, adapt to their needs, and set a clear purpose. They can deliver speech that are not only heard but also remembered.
Okay, thank you for your time, Raffi. Ari, in conclusion, understanding the audience is an important part of public speaking. By respecting their needs and perspective, we can deliver message that are meaningful and effective. Thank you very much for your kind attention. Good evening, Miss Amy, my friends. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.